Hi babies! In this video we are going to learn how to round a number. So now we are going to go to the examples. So let's imagine we want to round these numbers to 2 decimals. So the first thing we have to do is to highlight the number we want to round. So here in this case we have the first decimal, second decimal, the 4 is the number we want to round. Now we have to look at the number located on the right side of the number we want to round. In this case, number 2. Number 2 is a number lower than 5, meaning the 4 we want to round stays the same. So what we get is 72,54. In this case, first decimal, second decimal, this is the number we want to round. The number located on the right side is bigger than 5. When we have a number bigger than 5, then the number we want to round goes one digit up. So what we get is 81,77. In this case, first decimal, second decimal, this is the number we want to round. When we have 5 on the right side, like in this case, the number we want to round goes also one digit up. So what we get is 95,38. And this last case, first decimal place, second decimal place, the number located on the right side of the 9 is bigger than 5. So that means 9 goes one digit up, meaning 10, but we cannot write 10. So what we write is a 0 digit and the 1 adds to the 4. So what we get is 83,50. So another way to be asked about rounding a number is when we are asked to round the number to a determined number of significant figures. So let's imagine we want to round these numbers to 3 significant figures. So here we have the first, the second, the third significant figure. That means the 8 is the number we want to round. The number located on the right side is lower than 5. That means the 8 stays the same. So what we get is 7,480. Here, first, second, third significant figure, the number located on the right side is bigger than 5. That means the 4 goes one digit up. So what we get is 574,000. So here, first, second, third significant figure, the number located on the right side is lower than 5. That means the 4 stays the same. So what we get is 3,74. In this case, first, second, third significant figure, the number located on the right side is 5. That means the 2 goes one digit up. So what we get is 0,00742. So the last case we have about rounding a number is when we are asked to round the number to the tens, to the hundreds, or to the thousands. The tens is the first decimal place, the hundreds will be the second decimal place, and the thousands will be the third decimal place. So let's imagine we want to round this number to the tens. So what we have to do is to highlight the number we want to round. In this case, the first decimal place. The number located on the right side is bigger than 5, meaning this 5 goes one digit up. So what we get is 32,6. In this case, we want to round to the hundreds. So what we have to highlight is the second decimal place. The number located on the right side is bigger than 5, meaning this 7 goes one digit up. So what we get is 47,68. And this last one is a very special case. We want to round this number to the thousands. So what we have to round is this 9 here. The number located on the right side is bigger than 5. So this 9 goes one digit up, but we cannot write 10. So we add one digit to this 9. We get again 10. So we add one digit here, and we get again 10. So what we have to do is to add one digit to the 99. So what we get is 100,000. This is the video. If you want more information, just subscribe to the channel. So finally, let's make a summary. So when we are asked to round a number, the question could be made in three different ways. The question could be to round the number to a determined number of decimal places, or to round the number to a determined number of significant figures, or to round the number to the tens, to the hundreds, or to the thousands. So depending on the way we are asked, we have to highlight the number we want to round, and then look at the number located on the right side of the number we want to round. So when the number located on the right side is 5 or bigger than 5, then the number we want to round goes one digit up. When the number located on the right side is lower than 5, then the number we want to round stays the same.